Greetings, YouTube. My mother-in-law is dead. Well, at least according to the Social Security Administration, my mother-in-law is dead. However, she staunchly refuses to lie down and get into a coffin. She continues to breathe, walk around, talk, and complain that the Social Security Administration has declared she is dead. She got a phone call from her bank this week. They had noticed some unusual activity in one of her accounts, which was completely legitimate, something she had done. But at the same time, the person asked if she could ask a strange question. And she asked, "Are you aware that the Social Security Administration has declared you are dead?" So she contacted the Social Security Administration, who then asked her for a doctor's note to prove that she is in fact alive. My mother-in-law contacted the New Hampshire WMUR news station, who did a piece last night on this particular subject. They even got a portion of her playing a violin, as my mother-in-law is a music instructor. But these people at the Social Security Administration didn't just say, "I'm sorry, we made a mistake." They want her to prove she's alive. So she's sending them a notarized letter, plus a copy of her ID and a doctor's note to prove this. I personally think the news report that showed her on camera in her own home, moving around and talking, is enough. But what do I know? I'm wacky. I make sure someone's actually dead before I declare them so. My wife told this story to her boss. Now, her boss is a very conservative Republican businessman. The last time I saw this man, he was wearing a t-shirt that had a picture of Ronald Reagan on the front and a line under it, under the image that said, "What he said." Her boss did not vote for Obama. When having heard this story, his comment was to laugh and say, "And you trust these people to run your health care." I'm really glad that I wasn't there when he made this statement, because I wouldn't have been able to control myself. I made no comment about the t-shirt. It's his shirt, it's his store, he can do what he wants to. But that statement is asinine, because the current healthcare system we have in the U.S. is completely and utterly broken. It is the most expensive healthcare system amongst industrialized nations, and, at the same time, the most inefficient, providing no coverage for 47 million Americans. And with the economy tanking, thanks to the Republican Party, there are going to be more people on that list every day. A single-payer healthcare system, like every other industrialized nation has, would provide healthcare for all Americans, and here's the kicker, it would cost us less money. So tell me, why aren't the fiscally responsible Republicans backing Obama's desire to have a single-payer healthcare system? Why are they resisting this attempt? Oh, that's right, because a single-payer system would benefit the poor. And if there's one thing St. Reagan taught us, is that the poor are the enemy, and unworthy of our compassion. For, it's not like they're real people.